It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you need to change your YouTube Music playlist, a playlist cover, is to use either the mobile app for a YouTube Music or the YouTube Music website. After you decide on which one you want to use, to do this on the website, all you have to do is log into your account and find the playlist where you want to change the cover. The way YouTube Music picks a cover for a certain playlist is by choosing the first song in order on that playlist, the top song. So all you have to do is open up your playlist and choose whichever song you want to set your playlist cover as on the top of your playlist. Order it so it's the first song from the top, and your playlist cover should automatically update. The process is exactly the same on the YouTube Music app, and all you have to do is open up a playlist and click the pencil at the top of the page to edit that playlist, and then just change the orders of the song to whichever song you want to be on top and set as your playlist cover. I hope I was able to help you on how to change playlist cover on YouTube Music. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.